Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to repair your damaged vehicles on GTA 5. So after your vehicle is damaged, all you have to do is just open your map and then find the nearest Los Angeles customs. And after you find it, just go inside the garage
What's wrong with her now?
and just wait a moment until it loads. As you just enter, you can see the menu option repair vehicle and you have to pay the money to repair it and just click with your mouse to repair the vehicle.
All patched
So
up?
guys, that's how you repair your vehicle on GTA 5. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.